Are you feeling the pressure to snag your dream job as soon as possible, but you're drowning in a sea of competition? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Really, the key to success lies in setting yourself apart with a winning resume. With a little know-how, you can skyrocket your chances of landing that coveted interview. So, are you ready to dazzle and conquer? Let's dive in and make this happen for you. As an executive recruiter and job search strategist, I'm going to guide you through how to develop a resume that demands attention and secures your spot as the top candidate. Let's face it, the sole purpose of your resume is to impress potential employers and grab their attention. But let me tell you something. If you're not receiving at least 3 to 5 calls every week, regardless of how beautifully crafted your resume is, it's not good enough. You need to get it into shape so it starts landing you the job you've always been dreaming about. The job market can be ruthless, and employers aren't messing around. Studies show that recruiters like me spend just 6 seconds scanning resumes before deciding whether to toss or invite a candidate for an interview. But don't worry, you can stand out from the masses and seize your chance. Let's make them remember you by dazzling them with a resume that cannot be ignored. In this series on resume development, I'm going to reveal how to write a winning resume that will get you noticed by hiring managers and recruiters and help land you the job that you want. Today, I'm going to share one incredibly important thing that job seekers need to focus on when developing their resumes to grab a recruiter's attention. But first, my name is Eileen Ryan, and for over a decade, I have been an executive recruiter and a job search strategist for thousands of paying clients. My expertise lies in revealing insider secrets from the view of the recruiter on how to quickly capture the attention of employers to land the dream job they desire. As a job search strategist, I focus on teaching ambitious job seekers how to speed up their search, secure a position that inspires them, and earn the income they so richly deserve. You're here watching this video to learn how to land your dream job. I create training like this every single week. If you'd like to jump the line and get this training before everyone else, now would be a genius time to subscribe to get alerts when I post new content. In the competitive job market, a well-written resume can be your ticket to getting hired faster. It's crucial to make sure your resume stands out among the sea of candidates vying for the same position. One easy way to do this is by keeping the design simple. While it may be tempting to add flashy images or designs, it's important to remember that what really matters is the content of your resume. Employers want to focus on your qualifications, your skills, and your experience, not on the over-the-top visual display. Studies show that recruiters spend an average of just 6 seconds reviewing a resume. By keeping the design clean and concise, you're increasing the chances that your resume will be read and noticed by potential employers. I have an expert tip I want to share with you. But if any of this resonates with you, I want you to go to my website. It's www.poundingpavement101.com. And there you'll gain access to my free job search on-demand workshop that will show you a genius strategic plan on how to attack the job market. You can watch it immediately so you do not have to waste a moment of time in your search for a new career opportunity. Because as far as I'm concerned, every day you're not working, you're losing money. I don't believe in wasting time or in wasting money. Trust me, it flies out the window fast enough, as I'm sure you know. Okay, so job seekers, listen up, because I have an exclusive insider tip that will boost your chances of landing that dream job. When it comes to designing your resume, Keep it simple. Employers want to focus on the content of what you have written rather than the flashy designs or distracting images. By focusing on the content, your skills and experience, and really developing that part of your resume, your experience is going to truly shine through. And really, that's what employers are looking for. Statistics show that a simple and easy to read design is more likely to catch the attention of hiring managers. So, ditch the bells and the whistles and let your skills speak for themselves. Trust me, it will help you stand out from the competition and increase your chances of getting hired. And while what I taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing to get you to where you want to be in landing your next career opportunity. So, again, I encourage you to subscribe to get alerts every time I post new content on inside secrets to grab a recruiter's attention. And remember to check out my free on-demand job search training workshop. It's at www.poundingpavement101.com. My name is Eileen Ryan. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist with Pounding Pavement 101. It's my job to get you hired rapidly. Good luck in your job search.